We see our interactions with our clients as an ongoing relationship, and here's why. If we look at this timeline and we say, here's the day where, okay, so actually let's make it a little bit longer. So here's where we've engaged to develop an estate plan. Whatever that estate plan looks like, it doesn't really matter. It could be a will plan, it could be a trust plan, it could be a supplemental needs trust, it could be whatever that something is. This is estate planning here. The estate planning process was started, they've engaged us to do the estate planning for that individual or couple. This line right here is the date that we've signed the documents. I focus a lot on documents, but remember, estate planning is more than just documents. We are focused on the documents because this is where the encounter focuses most of its time. All right, so now we've had that signing, and we're going to go through life, and we have different life events that take place, and at the end of the line right here is that final day. We've passed away. And now the will or the trust or both have to come into effect in order to convey our assets to our loved ones, to pass along our stuff to our loved ones. And we're going to hope that this distance between the signing date and that final date are as long as possible. So as many days are going to fill that space as possible, because that's everybody's goal. So what happens between this date and this date? Well, unless they are the exact same date, unless signing and the final day are the exact same date, there's a very good chance that something in here is going to happen to adjust either that will plan or that trust plan. Something is going to happen because life has this interesting way of presenting itself that we just don't expect. The longer ago the signing was, the more likely it is that something has happened in our lives that has maybe not voided our plan, but at least changed how our plan actually works. This should be an ongoing relationship. What about your health? Has your health changed? Do we need to start looking at asset protection? Instead of, or in addition to, estate planning. Every time something happens, you have to take into account how that affects your estate plan.